Today I'm sharing with you a bedroom makeover featuring coral spring decor. Though I did not decorate the space myself, I did consult with the client to assist her with a few decor ideas and some clever storage solutions. These are a couple of before pictures of the beach-themed color palette. Even though she liked the decor, it just wasn't her personal style. Her favorite colors are black and white, so that will be the neutral starting point for her new design. Take note of the furniture pieces. We will be reusing them again, but changing the color. The room is a decent size, about a 12 by 11 almost square. You'll notice she has a lot of furniture and bold decor packed into the space. She said she likes feeling hugged by her furniture and doesn't feel comfortable with empty spaces. Though every nook and cranny is filled, it is neatly arranged and organized to suit her needs for daily living with all of her creature comforts. The closet is too small to hang clothes, so she's curtained it off and is using it as a small vanity with jewelry storage. Right next to that is her office area. The walls were painted back to a crisp white, and all of her accessories are different patterns of black, white, from polka dots to marble and stripes. It's okay to mix patterns and textures in a neutral space. It will add visual interest. We built and added these wardrobe cabinets to hold her hanging clothes. They're decorated with contrasting marble contact paper. Additional storage is provided on top through decorative boxes and bins in coordinating colors. The window treatments are hung all the way from the ceiling to make the room feel taller. Black panels and white sheers are hung on a double rod so that she can completely darken the room if she wants to. The bed frame was also painted black with a white detailed border. The marbled comforter drapes the foot of the bed, while the pillows and throw add that pop of coral for spring. A gallery wall of family photos makes her happy on this side of the room, flanked by a few necessities like a black bathrobe, a white bath towel, and a full-length mirror. Below is cube storage for folded clothes and personal toiletries. The bins are color blocked to make a checkered design. Let me show you a closer look at each of the spring home decor pieces that are sprinkled throughout the space. Some of the items were purchased in the coral color, while others were spray painted to match exactly. Keep that as an option in mind while you're shopping if you can't find what you're looking for in your color scheme. The permanent decor pieces are either black, white, or gold. Even her office chair is color blocked black and white. Only the seasonal pieces are in the coral color. The TV stand was painted black with contact paper added to the fronts of the doors. The two white shelves on the sides are holding office supplies and other personal toiletries. A couple of wall shelves is a great way to display all of your spring decor in one place, creating a focal point. If you like these kinds of videos, press the thumbs up button below and subscribe. I post new videos every week on either decorating, event planning, or lifestyle. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.